everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to fix your Prizepicks app that is not working. So for now, I'm using an alternative app because the Prizepicks app is not available in my country. So I'm just using this app to just show you guys the process on how to fix it. So what you want to do is open up settings and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage and then search for the Prizepicks app right here. And then once you have found it, what you want to do is just click on Prizepicks and then just offload the app. And then once you're done, just click on reinstall the app. And then if that doesn't work, what you can also do is uninstall and reinstall the Prizepicks app. So uninstall it and then just reinstall the app. And then once you've reinstalled it and it still doesn't work, what you can also do is check if the Prizepicks app is updated in the Apple App Store. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to fix the Prizepicks app on your phone. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.